Kind channel. We are going to be vlogging about how to taste test donuts. First of all, we have its crunch. This is crunch. It calls crunchy. And then this one calls powder. And then this one calls chocolate. Okay, which one's gonna taste better? You're gonna see that in the end. Let's start opening it. Which one should I open? Should I open 1, 2, or 3? I think I should open 1 because it's my first time. Test eating this. Try it. Yeah, I got it. Ooh, that's gonna look so good. Let's try. Just try each one and then I'll show you. I wonder how the powder's gonna taste. Let's open the powder. There we go. Now let's taste the powder. We're done with these two. We're done with 1 and 2. Try the 3. Blah. My hands are both different. Alright. Here we go. Chocolate. Chocolate.
This is kind of different chocolate. These are little donuts.
Okay, now we're done. All we just need is have chocolate milk. We having all 3 of these chocolate milks. And then all regular milk. All 3 of these. Okay. Good. Now we're gonna dip the crunch in the chocolate milk. Let's get this one out of the way. Let's dip it in. I really like this one. How many could I eat if I get food? Let's see. That is good. time for the white milk. Oh. Let's get this one out of the way before we're done. Time for the powder. Let me just get something real quick. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm back. I was just cleaning my mouth. Much better. My mouth feels so clean. Okay. Time to. We are gonna break it apart. So for the next one, next milk. Oh, which one am I gonna get so full? I'm gonna get full. Here. Time for this milk. Oh no. Time to clean my mouth in. There we go. All finished. Get this one out of the way. No. Just break a little teeny. Look, we got pink, we got pink. Okay, we're finished with these ones. Let's continue eating these. And still eat. kind of feel a lot of milk on my face. Okay guys, bye guys. Bye guys. I hope you like Lindy's Unicorn channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye.